Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show.
All right, good morning, November 14th, 2024. Hey, starting out with the hour, let's just get right into it. Starting out with the hour chart. Until further notice, I mean, you can see this, but until the market tells us something different, we're just in a bull flag, right? This is the 1 hour chart, and we went straight up, bam, bam, and we've been sideways since. So all we're doing is just playing around here. You know, I could probably bring this down like this. Just said that was a little pop-up, a little peekaboo, maybe forecasting where we're going, but then down here we get a little forecast of where we're going. So until this plays out, you know, went down from the bottom to the, well, we actually went down to the bottom, hit it again, went to the top, and now we're kind of just floundering right in the middle. So I'll just, you know, watch this. I got this purple, I got it on all my charts, so I know when we're going to bust that. And we also have the 5-minute EMA daily. That's a daily EMA on the hourly chart. And it currently is at 83, 21,083, so that might be a little bit of resistance area. Yep, 15-minute chart. This is what we did this morning on PPI. We came down, we went up early this morning, and then we came down and hit the 78.6. Then we came back up and hit the 78.6, I believe it is. Let me get rid of that. So if I take the fib from top to the bottom there, then we came back up, hit the 78.6 on top, and now we're heading, what I think heading back down will probably challenge this overnight low down here, my thinking is. That's kind of what I was thinking. I don't know if we get there, but that's where my thing tells me. So there you go. We got a bull zone here at 21,078.50 to 21,107. I don't know why it's so hard for me to tell those numbers, but it becomes difficult sometimes. All right, yesterday's low 21,056. That would be something to get down there. So we are below CPR. CPR very small, so good chance we have a trend day today. So if if we start hitting short, you can get short and hold on, and then just hold on and let her just try to waterfall down, hopefully. We'll see. I'll have to wait for open. 5 more minutes. Okay, that's what I got there. Not much. You got some support in here. That's why we bounced right here. So, something to watch out for. Yeah, I think we bust through that. Here's that hour trend line down. So, we're getting into the 21,042 area to break that. Now we broke it down here. I think I still, yeah, I didn't bring him down all the way. I probably will. Let's just see if I can get him. I think it was a good one to watch. That trend line seems to be a bouncer. It actually came from up here somewhere one time. So we'll see. We'll see. All right, we're heading down, getting some new lows here. We're gonna, I think, break down here. All right, let's go to. There's not much happening on a 5 minute that I can see. Oh, let me get rid of this. Get rid of that. I've been trading this morning, up 1,000 or something. So the 1 minute heading down, right? So that's something to keep a watch on. We got VWAP kind of heading downward. We have 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15, 60 minute all pointed down. We're negative 500 on the delta, and yeah, all roads point downward, it looks like. Good morning, CovePer. Good morning, Yoko. Income Trader. Google and Meta break-in. Netflix target reversal could trigger today. Okay, I like it. I'll be right back. I gotta get my phone real quick. Alright, 3 minutes to go. Hey, I'm going to be slowing down on my trading a little bit this morning. I'm not going to take those crazy trades in the morning. I'll watch them. They'll probably play out today. That's the way it works. But I'll go to the 1 minute chart here. But I will not be playing that. I think I might try short right out the gate. I don't know. We'll see. And it looks like we've got a couple minutes left. All right, I'm going to stick with the 2 minute actually. Okay. Something like that would be good. Good movement on PPI. Nice little short. Okay, just a reminder, I'm not all doom and gloom. You know, this chart here, this hour chart, kind of shows it. You know, right now we're just in one big flag. So until we break down, we're in a bull flag. That's just the way it is. All right.
Forward testing of
We got multiple angles on here. All right, so there we go. We'll get open here in a minute. I keep trying to remind myself we're in a bull flag. Don't get too bearish. And we'll just see how she plays out today. What could I do at open? You know, set up some trend lines. We got overnight low roughly at 21,139. And for right now, I'm going to get rid of the VWAP stuff. I actually have it on my chart down below. So here's the 2-minute opening range. And we're going to be open. And there's open. Going straight up into a 5-minute gap fill. Probably go up to the top. We already got 3/4 of the way last time. And just a smoke air right off the get-go. Those are ones you just have to jump in and hold your nose. Too late for me to take it now, but looks like we're gonna try to fill this gap on the 1 minute. It is filled. Actually, that's the 5-minute. 5-minute gap filled. There you go. Could be a good short right below VWAP. I'm going to take that. So that's in my wheelhouse. Oh, maybe not. See if we can stay below. I'll just get right above it. That'll be my stop. Bring this guy back down. Okay. Since this is open, I'm going to go ahead and go into protect mode a little bit. I would like to drop down below the 1 minute opening range. Low. Might get taken out here. Oh, come on now. Be nice. I was just thinking I should have took my profit down there at 37. I was doing other things. All right, I'm going to just go above VWAP. If we go back up above VWAP, we might just go long. Yep. Google 177.50 puts at 68. Oh, today's Thursday. Yeah, okay. Still like the short. If we go back down below this 1 minute opening range here at 36, I'll go short. Yeah, shit, Gary, you're probably getting out now. Good call on that. They're up to $1.20, $1.13 by $1.20. Okay, we got a pretty big 1 minute opening range, 34 points. Nice. So right now I'm just watching. Back up to CPR. Trying to break above it. The opening range, 1 minute opening range high is 171.75. We're above CPR, now below CPR. CPR is very small today. So 3 points, something like that, 2.75. So it means potentially it could be a trend day. Potentially, not always, but. NVIDIA, let's see, 15-minute candle. That's sucking back up. It's got 8 minutes left, so a little bit of time. NQ's got a bullish green candle pushing up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes in. So this is also the top of the 5 minute, right? So 5 minute candle. I could go long right there. I don't know if I want to, but it's possible. Yep. I wasn't watching. I couldn't get in that early. When I watched, it was 110, 113. Got a nice little gap down. I just don't know if I want that break above there. Okay, we are above CPR. We have not closed out that 5 minute sell gap yet. Here, this might be able to, we might be able to see it a little better. Okay, back below VWAP and the 1 minute weighted, which is at 21,144, I believe. Yep. Hey, your put should be coming. All right, let me see. The 2 year, the 10 year, they're backing off a little bit. They were up 0.03 this morning. They are backing down now. They're down 0.04 and 0.02 on the 2 year. I don't know how many times I said this the day before, yesterday, but we're right in the 1 minute opening range, right in the middle. Yeah, potentially. I gotta wait for my little markers. The best marker would be below 21,137. We're now getting below the 1 minute weighted moving average. Midnight open, I'll go ahead and take that, which is also the 1 minute opening range low. Okay, we got a new 5 minute. Let's see how she goes. Okay, see if we can drop below 26. I like that. See if we can get on down to 109, 108. Beautiful. Okay. Nice little pickup there. We're at the 1 minute target now at 21,103. You can see it right there. We blew past that. That's never a good sign. Back up to the bull zone. See if we can hold that. We got a gap fill in the 1 minute up to 21,125. 5 minute, we still have 2.5 minutes, so we can play a lot of games here. We can go back up and fill that 1 minute gap. Nope. Yeah, we still could, even though they're going to take me. I'll try to hang in right there. I'll let them take it if they want it. And I'm going to go ahead and sit down here at target 2, maybe even a little bit lower. Okay, I took 450 on that drop on my PA account, so I'm good there. So I'm not going to trade those anymore. All right, got taken out there. I'll wait for the 1 minute gap fill here. Okay. See what happens. See if we drop back in here into the bull zone. Uh-oh. Why isn't that? All right, so you got the same problem here. All right, so pre-market low was right around here at 21,090. So I got to be conscious of that. The London low, which is also right here, same place. Looks like we just took it. We're getting pretty close to. Yep, pushing down now. See if we can hold it. Just because of that, I'm gonna, oops, wasn't quick enough. Yeah, maybe I was. Just for that alone, I'm going to just drop my stop down. Let's get out of here so you can see the charts. You can see where I'm putting my targets. Yep, I would agree, Gary. Okay, we got a nice little move down here. We're down at the bottom. You're not seeing that, but we're getting close to the bottom of the bull zone. Let me switch over to a 5-minute chart. Get a little better potentially today. There you go. So there's the 5-minute. I'm going to go ahead and drop my stop down. I just don't want to get a bounce in here. I'd like it to keep on going. And then we have Bull's Last Stand pivot at 21.049.50. And shit, should have protected myself there. That's right. See if we can get a move back up here. Would be cool at 21.107. If not, I'll take the short down here. Okay, I took it on the break of the bull zone there. Yesterday's low, 21,056.50. That's a potential target area. Now, I really don't want to come back up into that bull zone. Really would like that 5-minute to close outside it. Like I said earlier, if you could get into a short and hold on to it, just hold on to it. Okay, so I'm going to switch back to a 2-minute because I want to look for maybe even a 1-minute. What I want to look for is a stutter step, right? A little stutter move. So I don't see one yet. Let's go to the 1-minute. Basically a little mini flag. And maybe we're getting one right here. Okay, so we came down one to the third standard, and we're kind of bouncing off that. Okay, I'm going to get taken out there. Okay, why aren't you getting out of there? All right, so now what I'm going to do is, well, hopefully I'm going to. Hopefully we're going to get a couple of green candles here. Would be nice. If not, I got to jump back in. There we go. So let's see if we can get just a little mini flag. Nope. So we came down to target 2 and kind of held. It's a good sign. Okay, we're fighting this bottom of support here. I'd like to get one more candle. If not, I'm going to have to take, if we drop, well, below that. Probably below that right there. That would be good. So 2 entries, potentially 2 entries here. Right? Something like that. Come on, get up there. Let's get one more green one. Get 3 greens. Even on the 1-minute chart is okay. Okay, we got above a 5 minute at 21.093, and we got a good bounce going. We are right in a 5 minute sell gap. It goes all the way up here to 21,142. The 10 years down 0.02 and the 2 years down 0.025. So they're kind of settling out. Might give a little support here. Okay, just waiting to see what they do. Okay. I will take this. I'm going to take just one for the short. We could bounce here at 89 to 91, which we already got to. So I'm just going to put my stop right there. See if it'll hold on. See if we can get a nice little move down where I'm all right. All right, up to 50. That's good. We could come back up now. Come on, drop down, baby. Okay, I'll lock in 96, 87. All right, that's good. Couple hundred. Now, if we drop back below this zone here, that could be a short there. And what we can do is use that as kind of our cover. All right, I'm going to hold that as my stop. Now that purple line on the hour chart, that bottom of the flag, that bottom of the flag is 21,042 roughly. So we could get just a little choppy in here. 85. Okay, we got 40 seconds left on this 5 minute. This 5 minute's not wanting to hold up. So here's that purple line from the hour chart. Okay, we got a doji on the 5 minute. I'm not particularly fond of that candle. taken out. Okay. Now it's just a matter of getting back in. Oh. Okay, just waiting. Where are we at? Let's see, 15-minute. Let's go with the labeled horizontal line. I don't know if I like that, but okay, we got 2 minutes left on this 15. Go back to a 5. Okay. All right, so we've got the 15-minute opening range high and low. We are breaking a 1 minute trend line I've got on my against my bars. Good morning, Lewis. All right, so I'm going a little slower today. Oh. I do like that trend break. See if we get anything out of it. Might have to go up a little bit higher on this. We're right in the bull zone, so it's a little tough in here. I really don't want to take that, but we're going to get a lot of choppiness in here. So this whole area down to here. But let's see if we can get a drop down, drop below it, which is about 78. We can get a close back below it, then we can take out the lows. We have not taken out the London highs yet. Don't know if we will if we keep on this pace of downward pressure. Okay, the yesterday's low is definitely an area that we should be watching, which is 21,056, right? So whether we bounce there or not, I don't know. We're bouncing right on the bottom of that zone. I just got the one, keeping my risk a little small. I mean, realistically, I should be probably right here. But like I always say, I can come back from 200 bucks. It's a little more difficult to come back from 28,500. Right? So this is my $200 threshold right here. We're pumping into it. Come on, baby. Let's keep going down. Two minutes left on the 5. We are below 21,100, so that's a, you know, if you're bearish, that's what you want to see. If we pop back above the 21,100 area, then, you know, we got to be thinking about something else. Just trying to keep it simple. I'm definitely interested in this area at 56, so I definitely will protect myself once we get closer to that. And then a drop below that, I'm going to watch that purple line. But other than that, you know, I wouldn't mind coming all the way down here. See if we can get a 100-pointer. Get rid of that. All right, we're bouncing right at the bottom of that zone again, right at the 15-minute opening range low. Come on, baby, get back down there. right, 5 minute. Let's look at the 2 minute. Do gotta watch this. I don't like that one bit. Come on, baby. Let's get down to the lows. All right, NVIDIA's going up. Starting to make a move up. First move was down this morning, first 15 minutes, then retraced almost the exact size and put up another. So far, green candle. There's 8 minutes left on that one. So NQ's heading down, which is good. You're down 100 today, Koper? Okay, we're still just in that bull zone, right? So it's just sloppy and choppy. Sometimes that tells me that the loss of words, but it tells me that the conviction to go down it's a little wobbly, and we're going to need something to push it down. Now, dropping yesterday's low, is that enough of a catalyst? I don't think so. But the longer we stay here, the less thrilled I am about this short. Especially if NVIDIA heads up. Yeah. I'm going to get taken out, I think, here. Come on back down, baby. Nope. Nope. There you go. Okay. I don't know why that's not being taken out. I'm using Replicano by Flowbots, and I used to recommend it. I don't recommend it I wouldn't recommend it anymore. It just leaves too many stranded contracts. All right, so we got to move across, which is basically what I'm looking at is on the other chart is something like that. We're up into this 5-minute sell gap, so roughly up here to 21,142 is the high. Back in the, oh well, not sure what range that is. We're still below the 1-minute opening range. We just popped our head above and now back down into the bull zone. So could be coming back and retesting the trend line on the 1 minute. So we got something like this here. I'm just going to hold my hand here for a few minutes. You can see just 1, 2, 3, 4 nasty candles. No more shorts for me until we get under here, 77. Everything's still pointing down, so we're still in a little negative area. Yeah, I can't even get a good trend line on the bases there. So here's the bull zone. There's the bottom of it. We got 19 minutes for IB. Maybe we're waiting for that. Currently IB is 110. I like it that we're kind of holding off here. It's almost like we're waiting for data. Powell is supposed to speak sometime today. Oh. So he speaks at, well, not till 3, so it's actually end of day. So I don't think they're going to wait on that. A lot of data. Tomorrow, Empire State, retail sales, core retail sales. Okay, here's ES, hour candles, all heading down, looking short. ES drops yesterday, or SPY drops yesterday low, then it could get on. Okay, so if I throw some fibs up, got up to the 50, rejected, came back down, tried it again. Doesn't look like we can go lower or higher here. You have to respect the bar is all heading upward though. See if we can get a close above the 38.2. Yep. Still staying in the bull zone. Guess you could try long right down here. 99, 2100. If we think we're going up. Koper, you're down 100. The 177.50s are up to $1.25 by $1.44. There, G. The 177 Google 177.50 puts at 68. They're now doubled. But you're already done though. I'm done possibly 3K. All right, slow motion. We're just waiting for a move. Okay, we dropped the 100. Aggressive short. Oop. Oh, calling out a time too, huh? I like it when people call stuff. At 10:22 in 4 more minutes, right? I like that because I'm probably going to take a short here at 77 if we get there. Oops. All right, I can't. Nope, I missed it. Damn it. All right, so yesterday's low we're at. This is where I want to get into a little protect mode. Damn it. There we go. All right, we're breaking right through that. They're trying to fight it, bring it back up. They're trying. You know, Gary, around here we say, hey, you got to be a little tighter than 2 minutes. All right, I'm going to try to keep into this trade here. I'll bring my stop. So we're up to that purple line. That was a concern for me. It's so difficult to stay in these trades. Going back to retest the prior day's low, 56. Overshot a little bit. Okay, I'm going going to switch over to a 3-minute chart. All right, there we go. Okay, dropping back below yesterday's low. Come on, baby, get down there. Okay, we trying to bounce here at Bull's last stand. Is that right? Yep, right here. 21049. Oh, Gary going counter trend. 596 calls at 80 cents. Well, if you're going to go in calls, then I'm going to tighten my stop up to at least break even. Just gave away $600 like that. All right, see if we can retest this area here at 76 would be nice. We got a 5-minute gap fill up at 86. Drop back below 56 would be bearish. Morning, Jason. See if we can get back to below this guy here. Okay, 5 minutes left on the 15. Come on, baby. That might be it. Brown. 83 to 85. Okay. Okay, we've got 3 minutes on this 5. Potential long here at 21,074. Would you take 596s? Okay, we could be coming back just to retest this. Good trade. Lock in 10 here. So I probably want to be right around 130. Oh, no, I don't. Okay, so there's IB. Probably only want to be at 123. 5-minute gap fills all the way down here at 21,074. We got a 1-minute gap fill at 83. Come on, baby, get up there, stay up there, get back above 100. Let's go test out 105, which is the 1-minute weighted moving average. 102. I got 105 on my 1 minute. Good SPY trade, Gary. Nice. Okay, we just filled the 1 minute gap, coming down to fill the 5 so far. 2 minutes left, so that's a little negative for me. I think we could go down farther. See if that holds. So this is a good place actually to stick. You know, I didn't like it because we didn't have much time left, but 74, we came up to, you know, we're at 84 now, so there's 10 points you could have grabbed just on that little move right there. Right? And this could be continue up. I just didn't like it because we were under. If we had like 3 minutes or 3.5 minutes, I would have taken that every day of the week to go back up. But getting down closer to 2, it's not my style to play that. It's too tight. But it looks like we're going to continue on up. We'll see. I mean, I like the long down here. I should have liked it again. So now I'm going to have to take above 100 here. Which I don't like, because we've already moved up. But I'll try to take it there, and I'll bring my stop down here, or target. Let's see if I can stay in the trade. We got 27 seconds left. I need to get back above 100. If this is going to be bullish. If not, I'm going to take a loss. We did not hit the 1 minute weighted. There we go. Okay, everything's still pointing to the downside. But we got a nice big 5 minute bullish candle. This is a potential reversal candle here. So we filled the 1 minute gap here. If we go down further, then I'm going to get out and I'll look for the reverse and go short. Okay, I might take one off here to reduce my risk. I would like to see it come up to 103. Come on. Get to the 1 minute weighted and actually pop its head above the 1 minute weighted would be cool. There we go. Come on, keep going. Give me a little bit of room. Lewis says it's going to VWAP. Yeah, I like that. It'd be great if it did. I'm at 110. The question is, can I get it? I don't like we're rejecting the 1 minute weighted. But we really didn't fall down, so that's a good sign. There we go. There we go. All right, got 10 there. I'll get closer to stop here. See if I can hold on. Where would I want to be? So for me, I would look for VWAP is a good place, 61.8 at 23. So I'll shoot for that. Since this was a pretty decent bullish candle, I'm actually going to bring it up. I might come up here to the 134 where I was at. See if we can get there. And not that I'm turning bullish, it's just, that's just the charts, right? The charts are telling me to take it. Okay. Yeah, and we could reject here also, you know. So at 23, if we can get to 23, then I will put my stop up there, you know, at about 20 if I can. Okay, so here's the 50% at 21,107.50. You know, we may come up short, hit VWAP, come back down, and then go back up. That would be my guess. It's, you know, typical pattern. But if we drop back below this 1 minute weighted, that's a negative. It's a very bad sign. I think I like it around 98. Come on, baby, get on up there. Okay, what's NVIDIA doing? I don't like either one of those candles. 15 minutes looking a little negative. So I might go into a little more of a protect mode. Probably going to get taken out, yep. But just, I don't like NVIDIA's 15 minute. Okay, where are we at? Got some funky red hammers on NVIDIA 15 minute. Gary's going short. With some SPY 596. I thought you were done. You're up 5K. The more risk you take, the more risk it is you lose. You know, that's the rule. We're going to go up and hit that target, I bet you. I should have had some conviction there. Well, from right here, I could still pick up 10. Close to it. So 5 minute, we closed above the 50%. So I always say there's a good probability that we come up to the 61.8. Doesn't have to happen, but as they say, the odds are forever in your favor. We shall see. I don't like being at the 5 minute opening range there. What is that number? $11.01. See if I can get a pickup here. Probably go just a hair higher. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay.
Come on, baby. Oh, got 30 seconds left on this 5 minute. I'd like to get out of here by that 5 minute. There you go. All right, good little take. I thought 34 would be a better target. That's all right. Little wins. Sometimes little wins are big wins. All right, we got minute 37 left on this 5. I'm waiting to see what it's going to do. Okay, nice little potential reversal on the 5 minute. It's either that or a continuation. So I will wait till 21-112 or 21-132. Okay, so one more thing to fix. There we go. Okay, see if we bust out above. Well, we already kind of did. 32.50. 32.75. 32.50. Wasn't very convincing. Okay, moving up. There we go. All right, see if we drop below VWAP. So 121, 113, and we are at 21.4, so potentially could get a 10-point move here. All right, new 5-minute. Blue Quaint. Good evening from Greece. Been busy, but hope. Okay, I'll get to it in a second. Yep, I showed that earlier on my opening remarks there. I think on the hour chart, so I'd look for a potential support here at the 1 minute weighted, 21, 104, 105. It would be nice to drop here at 13, which we just did. We might bounce there on top of that bull zone. Oh, we're going to drop through it. See if we can get below. There we go. There's a nice move. I'm going to go ahead and capture X amount. Hopefully my display is keeping up. Yep, it is. Good. Drop down, see if we can take out the lows, which is at 39. I don't know if we get down that far, but it's worth a shot. Okay. All right, we're below the 1 minute weighted, so I'm going to stay where I'm at 08 or 07, 75. That'll at least give me 12 points, 240. If we drop down to 78, where am I going to go? I don't really have a spot that I could probably latch on to. Okay, so we did get up to 70.2, so this fib is no good, so let me get rid of that. This might be having a little bit of effect right now, but see if we can get below that. Stay below it. So the next thing I would do is I would do something like this and say, well, where are we going to get some possible support at? Well, wouldn't you know it, right at the bottom of the bull zone at 77. And then 21,069 and 61. If we drop 61, then I'll move this out of the way and bring it on down here. So this is where I like to use the fibs and say, okay, 21,002, 003, right? So that would actually be my target. Let's see if we can get down to the 38.2. Okay, and if I can hold that, 116 points. So, not that I think we're going to go there, but you never know. So, we first got to get through 77, 69, and 61 first. Nothing goes in a straight line, so I got to expect some bounces. At the same token, I don't want to give up too many points, right? So the question is, where do I take my stops? Now, the first one I'm going to take, the first one is a 5-minute way up here. We will have a 5-minute gap, I'm assuming. We got 7 seconds left. Luckily, I'm right at the top of that. Well, I don't know if luck's anything to do with it, but okay. Till 11:30. Okay, good. Well, hopefully we can get some movement here to the downside. I really don't want to go up and fill any gaps. We got 1-minute gaps and 5-minute gaps. So, but we really don't have a big strong push down though. That's what I wanted. All right, there's a 1-minute gap there. I don't really want to see that filled because it will take me out. If we can stay below 21,100, that would be the best thing for me. But we're not going to. All right. We're getting above the 1-minute weighted. Let's see if we can drop back below it. If not, I'll have to look for second entry. Okay. No, we're not done yet. Okay. All right, we're kind of playing around with the top of the bull zone. I'm kind of using that, trying to use that as cover. Let me get rid of, actually I'm just going to put some lines down. So this is the 69, 61.8 I mean. And that's good color. So copy B. Okay. Just to get rid of some of these lines on here. All right. So that's what I'm shooting for. I got lucky and had my stop in the right spot. And we didn't get too much of an overrun. So now I want to see a move down to the 138. Could we go further? Yeah, absolutely. Am I good with that? Yeah, I'm good with that. You know, instead of 113, I would take 100. Okay, so it's just above this white line, so I may take that if we get there. If we get there. Okay, don't particularly care for these candles. Did all that work and might get taken out here. Come on, baby, let's go. Yep, just might get taken out there. All right, maybe that's all we're going to get. Moving above the 1 minute weighted. Let's see what we got to here. 50%. It's always a possibility. So we're back below the 1 minute weighted. If we come and drop down below that a little further, I'll take too short. Try to get back in this thing. Actually, I'll take 99.25. Let's see what NVIDIA's doing. Yep, NVIDIA's going up, hence why we're going up. NVIDIA's up 250 today. Got a buy signal on my 15-minute chart. Yeah, it's a tough day. I've been going up and down. I mean, I think I got up as high as 14 or 1600 on that second account. And five-day EMA is 21,099. 21,099. Okay. So right in here, right where we're at. Nvidia is still pretty solid up, 148 to 183, and it's just moving up right now. Got the 2 minute, the 3 minute is up. Yes, it is. Yeah. Well, look at this morning. I talked about this. See this purple line here? I put that in the hour chart and put it on all my charts. And what did we do this morning? We came right down to it. So that was on the hour. Let's see if I can get to it. I added another little chart, so I can't really see my displays, unfortunately. I don't know which one's which. So there's the 5 minute, 1 minute. There we go. So on the 15, I put this purple line in here. And that's exactly where we came down to and bounced so far on the hour chart. But we're just in a big old bull flag, right? I mean, on the hour chart, it's pretty evident. So good. So I mean, it's just a flag. That's all. So until we break this again, you know, this was just a little bit of a loss. You know, maybe a little overexcitement. But we held it here, and you know, the 15-minute chart, I mean, just about right to the tick. So it's hard for me to get real bearish, right? We're down 59 points. ES is down 12. YM, Dow, down 32. Nothing big. All right, let's see if I can get back now to a 2-minute chart. There's the 5. Let's go with the 5. I like the 5. All right, I'm going to get rid of this. I'll put one more line here. This is the 50%. And then I'll get rid of nope. I'll get rid of this. And I'll get rid of that. I can't remember what do I put that there for. So we got 2 minutes 33 seconds left on this 5 minute. I mean, if we broke out above this previous, we should have taken off, but we, you know, it's just so slow. Yeah, exactly. So it tells me it could be distribution. That's what it tells me. Right, so potentially it could be distribution. People are just selling and they're just holding us up here, you know, hence the flag. or we're just waiting for more information. I know Disney came out with some good news this morning. I thought, wow, we're going to take off. And then we kind of just floated on down. So, I don't know. You know, it could be we're just digesting that big move from the hour chart, right? I don't even have it on here. But it could be we're just digesting, right? We had a big move. I don't know what it was, like 1,000 points, 1,200 points, 2,000. I don't even know what the number was, but it was a big move up. And when you get big moves up like that, you're going to get big drawn out flags. You know, it's like I said this morning, until we break this, this is what we've got. This is what we're going to deal with. So, SPY's in 100-year resistance. Okay? But until we do something, break out, do something, I mean, I could go back to the hour chart or 15-minute chart even. See if I can get the 15 in there. There we go. I mean, we're really, you know, probably to break out below, well, it's hard to tell because we're slanted. But I really like this purple line and this white line. Just what it is. These are all the prior day's lows. These reds and whatever color that is. You know, it's almost like we took out the July's high, all-time high, and the market was like, okay, now what? Now what do we do? Right? We went higher, came back down, but this move here was what? How big? Oh, I can just go from there. Yeah, 1,150 points. That was a big move. And we did it in 1, 2, 3, basically 3 days. It's crazy. So I think until, and then what are we consolidating? 1, 2, 3, 4, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6th day. Yeah. Maybe we go a couple of the days. This reminds me of back in, was it 2016 or 17 or something like that, where we just went sideways almost the whole year, I think. It was nasty. But we didn't get the movements that we get today, right? I mean, since 2020, that's increased the size of moves we get because there's more traders. That's my thought anyway. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. You know, it is weird. Look, I just take what they give me. I can't do anything about it. I can only deal with it in my control, which is hopefully to trade decently. Right? Today I took a little more cautious approach and still am. We're back below the 1 minute weighted. If we drop below this 15 here, I would probably go short at 85. I better get to a 5 minute. There we go. Alright, so there's the 5 minute break for me. I could potentially take a short here, but I'm actually going to wait. Let's see if we break that 15 minute here at 82. Now if I go, I can show you something here if I can find a 1 minute chart real quick. Oh, there you go. Lucky. So for me, I put this whole area in a box. honestly, shouldn't do anything until I get out of that box. That box is from 82 to 115. So 30 points. Which the 82 sets me good because that's my 15-minute potential short. So I like that. I mean, we got another one at 86.25, but I would feel better getting to that red bar at 82. And then have to be careful at 73 and then down. And the only real problem with that thought process is 82. To take the short at 82 or 81 and 3/4, whatever, is your 61.8 is at 77.50. Not a whole lot of space in between there. Now, could I take it if we get to the top here? Well, yeah, if you get a candle like this, I guess. Yeah. Yep, Gary, I would have to agree. I mean, you got support. So I like the 5-minute. It's a little nicer. Let me get rid of this. Even though I still think it has some impact. I'll get rid of this one. That was for the 1 minute. That was for the 50%, I believe. But man, look at that. Just knocked it down. Good 10-point drop just like that. Well, the bull zone is definitely keeping up its reputation when you don't have a whole lot of conviction, which I thought we had a lot of conviction right here at 9:45. This nice little 5-minute candle, you know. But man, it took control right in here and pretty much kept us in here. Then we got this one, but somebody bought it up. You got down here to that hour trend line and whoop. I mean, that was almost a 100-point ripper right there, right? In 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. I honestly thought this reversal here was going to hold. But it did not. Took us down to the, let me see. Took us down to the 50%, somewhere right around here. I moved this, didn't I? Okay, we're trying to bust out of that box. Couldn't do it. Once again. So for me, I wouldn't take it long until we bust up above VWAP here. Blue Quaint, I'm sure that 5 EMA is still right around 21,099. Well, way up here, yeah? Yeah, I mean, we haven't taken out, that's the other thing, we haven't taken out the London high. I mean, that's still a potential, and that's way up there at 21,190. We don't have to take it out, but okay. For a drop, oh, higher, okay. Oh, I'm a little behind. Okay. Interesting. On which chart? Oh, that's the daily there. 2 minute. Okay. Oh. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I have enough time. All right. Let's see what she does. Yeah, you know, it's not a bad idea. I took it a little bit slower today. Hopefully you've noticed. Yeah. I know I was trying to keep it a little low profile there at 10 o'clock until 10, but man, we had this big drop. Then I got caught up into some of this shit. Lost a little bit. Now I'm trying to gather it back up. Nice. Now you had some good calls. Oh. Hey, make sure, let me see. All right, so I'm still just hanging out and waiting for this box to exit, right? I mean, something to get above VWAP. I'm not going to do anything until that. But you can see that box was a nice little way of staying out of trades. And again, I usually paint that box based on the 1 minute chart. I don't think I got in. So here's my yeah, ain't got nothing else to do. Where was that 1 minute chart? Nope. Nope. I think this one. I mean, this would have been, and I probably wouldn't have liked this one either, but it would have been, it would have looked like that. But look at this. So this is what I wanted to show yesterday. So typically what I do is I put it in, create a box, right? So as we come down and we get a green candle, I say, okay, from here until our next red candle, okay, and there it goes. Okay, so here's my box that I gotta wait for. Now, whether we come down here and pop out the bottom, I would take it short from right here, or pop it up. Well, here, we got the move up, right? And then what does it do? It comes back and retests the box before taking off. So a lot of times what I used to do is if I missed this trade, or I missed this one coming back down, I would then just put a buy stop right there and see if I can get in that way. So the box system, if you're a scalper, just start playing with it. Just start looking at it, and I think you'll find you'll like it. Yeah, I'm not too worried about Powell because I'll be done trading by then. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm trying to say your name, dude. I'm really bad at. Yeah, my tongue doesn't roll. It doesn't do well with names. So I would probably just call you NH if that's okay. Unless you can spell it out phonetically to me. Like, because I would go Nahangeta. I don't know if that's right. But I'm trying to pronounce too many things, I think. Yeah, so tell me if I'm close. But thank you. Thanks for watching today. Okay, I don't think I got in. Did I? No. Damn it. Did you get in? It's rigged. Oh, I was sitting here watching thinking, okay, why isn't my chart updating? Because I know this isn't what the pattern looks like. And my YouTube was stopped. You know, honestly, like a lot of my videos, you know, I take freaking 100 trades or something, but it's mostly the evaluation counts, right? And I don't care if I blow them or not. So, but somebody told me, hey, you might want to try to limit your trades, right? Because I want to be a good steward, right? Again, the only thing I'm selling is, hey, if you're going to buy Apex evaluations and you want to use Mr. Fibs as your coupon code, fantastic. That'd be great. And if you don't, okay, that's fine too. So that's the only thing I'm really selling. I'm not trying to sell. I don't have a program to sell you. Whatever. If you see me take trades, you can always ask me, why did I take that trade? You know, but I try to tell you while I'm taking the trade, why I'm taking the trade. And, you know, if you want me to explain a system, let me know. I'll explain the system. I have no problem. As long as I'm not actively in a trade. If I'm not in the trade, I will tell you what I think, right? I mean, and take it or leave it, whatever, you know, because that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to educate yourself, learn from other people, and take what you want. Take what fits your system, not my system. What's your system? And you know, basically, that's what I would preach. Cody won. It's rigged. It's got to be rigged. So, there you go. Let me check. Oh, there we go. Okay, nice. Good trading today, Gary. Income trader. He put out quite a few trades and did very well on them. Nice work. Wish I had time to take them. I tried to take them, but every time I saw chat, it was already too late. All right, so we're breaking out above this box. So let me. I might have just missed that. I wasn't prepared here. All right, I'm gonna miss that, but also there's another little 21. I could have taken it. I could still jump in now without really chasing. But if we get up too much higher, then c'est la vie. All right, I'm just going to try to take one if we come back and retest the box. I don't know if we will, but Nageta. I don't know, man. It's so tough. And see what, yeah. There you go. I threw in some links. I got my bot back on, so it will it will also throw out some links here in an hour or something. So I was going to take the long off VWAP, and it did not take that. Let's see what happens. I still think that would have been a good trade. And it's only 7 points now. Might come back and get me. I would like that. Okay, we got the 1 minute opening trade at 21,137, the low. The 1 minute opening range low. That would be this red line right here. Okay, let's see if they pick me up here. Take me for a ride. You know, it doesn't always come back and retest the box, but there's a good portion of the time it does. My signal says chop. Wait for long or short signal. Basically, what it's telling me, I have a bot that runs, and it puts up a little window right here that says, and basically all he does is count. Oops. He counts these guys. So that would be 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, minus 1, minus 1. And he's got to be 4 out of 5 in order to go long or go short. So what he's saying is look, it's right now we're either transitioning from a short to a long, or we're just going to go chop mode. So stay out of the trades. In other words, there's no momentum for me to the upside or downside here. Even though, if I had to say, we kind of favor the upside more than the downside, obviously. Right? And it looks like we're going to pick up a little bit more. Okay. Come on, baby. It'd be nice to get a rejection right here at the 1 minute opening range low. Come down, pick me up, and then let's go for a ride. Went up 23 points from that box. But you really wouldn't take it till probably this guy here. We were above VWAP. But it's worth 18. See, for me in trading, it's all about finding a area, something that I've seen before, that I say, oh, if we go above this, I can take that trade, you know, and pick up 10, 15 to 20 points, right? So that's why this box system, like this box here, or this box here, or these fib lines, or VWAP, or the 1 minute weighted a little bit. I don't put as much into it as I probably should. Or the bull zone, or CPR. See all these places that are potential for me, they're potential orders. They're potentials for me to get into a trade. So this is my system, right? I have also this one, right? You also have the prior day's high and low. In fact, I've got maybe I'll put out on one of these things. I've got some PDFs that I made that have a prior day opening trade, opening low high trade. And maybe I'll just give that out for free. You can keep it, look at it, decide which ones you like. All right, we got a 5-minute gap here. Buy gap, little guy. And there you go. We came down to it and busted out. Sucker fish. All right, let me get to the 5-minute. That's what I should have been watching anyway. Yep. All right, let me get rid of some of this stuff so it doesn't look so messy. All right, I'm going to get rid of these guys. Yep. Sometimes it's good to make those lines and stuff like that because it gives me something to do where I don't watch the trade. Oops. All right, so yeah, I don't have much here. 5-minute trend line break. Could have went something like that, and that was the big push up. I wasn't watching it. All right, so I got filled. I wasn't ready for that. Okay, I really don't want to drop back inside this box, that's for sure. And that's what we're doing so far. Could come down to the 1-minute weighted. You better not take me out there. Oh. Okay, so we went below the 1-minute weighted. And then moved back up. I would have liked to close below and then have moved back up. Okay, it would be nice to come back up to VWAP here at 119. Get a little of my money back. A little higher, come on. See if we can get that back outside that box. Now I want to stay outside the box. Come on. Let's get back up through VWAP. Okay. At least I got a few bucks from that. Not much. Let me see what Gumby's writing. Gotcha. Yep, we're still negative 55 points. ES is now down 14 and Dow's down 670. So, Bob, it's not uncommon to drop back inside that box. We are staying above the bull zone, closing above it on the 1-minute chart. Let's see how I can play this. 145. Okay, we're back above VWAP. See if we can stay there. If not, we could come down and close the 1 minute gap. Maybe retest the box. Not really in love with that candle. Okay, we're just retested on the 1 minute. Okay, a little sloppier than I'd like. I didn't like the move back down inside the box. We do have this 1 minute at 112.75 gap. Let's see if we can get back above VWAP. If not, there's really nothing I'm liking about this. I might have to take a loss here. Okay, close the 1 minute gap. Need to see a move up. Come on, baby. Let's go. Get back above VWAP. Nope. Taken out. Little turd. Okay, so far the 1 minute's held. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, maybe 7. Let's see, the bottom is 105, so this would be a 5 point. If I take a long here, it'll be a 5 point stop. Come on now. And hold? Nope. Okay, tried to get in, couldn't get in. Had to take a market. See if the 1 minute can hold me up this time. Not any momentum to the downside, that's for sure. Still in that bull zone. Down to the 15-minute opening range low down here at 21,079. Let's see if we can make it down there. $7.08. I gotta be up at least right there. Five minutes left. We have no gap fills on the 5 minute. Let's see, what about down here? Nope. Pretty clean. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I was just thinking that after this trade. It's like, yeah, it's getting a little rocky. All right, come on. I need this 1 minute weighted to hold. Looks like I could hold it in that time. Two minutes, 30 seconds left. All right. $15 minutes, not looking bad. Got 10 seconds on the 15. Yeah, why is this so behind? Oh, it's frozen, that's why. All right, 12 noon, lunchtime. See if we can get a sell algo in here. Okay, put on the sell algo and let's go to lunch. All right, prior low was down here at 21,040. That's IB. Initial balance. $0.40, right? Is that what it said? Yep. Okay. All right, so I don't really have anything here other than this bottom of this box to get through. And then we got 15-minute opening range low, which I'm okay with. We have yesterday's low, which, did we find support there or did we just blast through it at 56? So maybe we go down and retest it or retest the lows. I'll get out right before retesting the lows. That's my thought. Whether or not we get there, I have no control over, so I'm just going to let it play out. I do, and I will have a 5-minute gap fill right to there. So I got to be cognizant of that. My stop, I'll move down to above this previous 5-minute. So right now I'm above this one. And I probably would like to be around 105 instead of 110. Because my goal is for this thing to go as far as it can, right? That's kind of the goal. How far can we go? And I want to give it some room. And maybe I put it out there a little too early. Alright. Nope, we're not there yet. Come on, baby. Alright, 1 minute suck back is in play. Maybe it's a 2 minute suck back. Have to bring him up a little bit. I like 09. So now if we close here like this with that kind of candle, that would really bother me. Now we got 1 minute, about 1 minute left. You're going to need to see this baby go red, otherwise this might just be another buy. Alright, so maybe the 1 minute suck back is complete. I don't know. We got a 1 minute gap at 21.09175. So what I'll do then is drop down a little bit further. How much time left? 13 seconds, so I'm going to just really reduce my risk now. So I don't really want to lose money on this trade. Okay, there is no 5 minute gap fill to fill, so hopefully we don't need to go up. Just need to come down. Yeah. What time is it now? 12 o'clock, so 3 o'clock is now, right? No, it's 12 o'clock. We got 3 hours for him to talk. All right, so a nice little move down to take out this guy would be fantastic. Even to get to the bottom of this, I'll reduce my stop down so I can hopefully pull a few bucks out of this trade. May not get the opportunity to. So 21,100. Possibly 104. But yeah, I ought to put a little timer going just to remind me at 3 o'clock. Oh, look out the prior cycle lows. You suckerfish. Well, that's what I get for not trailing it tighter. Well, that's why I shouldn't be trading at lunchtime. Came down to the bottom of the bull zone and went back to the top of the bull zone. Okay, the average true range on the 1 minute chart is 10 points. It's a good sign. It can't take the long until we get above VWAP. We are busting out through here. That is a potential. Let me throw on a 2 minute here. See what that looks like. So you can look at this one two different ways. You can look at it being bullish, moving up, or you can look at it as somewhat bearish, moving down. A wise man once told me if it looks like it can go up or it looks like it can go down, it equals no trade. Huh. Almost like I can hear him now.
Those are very wise words.
What?
Those are very wise words.
That's right, they are.
I mean, I just seriously, it doesn't matter where I enter. If I go long, it goes against me. If I go short, it goes against me. We're waiting.
I'm waiting for out of the box again.
It's no point in trading.
I mean, it's lunchtime.
Yeah,
Let's
it's
see.
gotta wait
ES
till
losing
afternoon and
support.
see if Powell triggers anything.
Yep. ES is down 19 points now. YM is down 103, so maybe we get a little movement. Powell's got 3 more hours before he shows up. I'm not going to trade at 3 o'clock, so it won't really matter. It won't affect me. I'll be done trading.
Yeah, I can't get any traction. It's amazing. It seems like the last few days we've been stuck in the bullseye.
Yeah.
We get into a bullseye and we just whip around back and forth.
Yep. It's just ugly. I mean, there's the short. $360. RTY just is getting ready to hit that gap now. Oh, I didn't watch that. Really hate to take the short at the lows here, but I would. Actually, it would be nice to come up and close that 1 minute gap at 91.
One of these won't hold at the bottom of the bullseye. This one probably.
That's what I was afraid of. Getting hit and then,
Zipping up.
yeah, heading back up to fill that 1 minute gap. So I'll take one off here just to minimize my risk. Small stop. And I'm going to head on down to 2100, probably 2102, maybe 03, 0350 sounds good. See if I can get that. The only way to get it is to be in it.
True.
You got to be in it to win it.
That's true.
And I have no problem taking a $3.60 loss, maybe 70. Potentially. Nope, gonna get taken. Yep. All right, come on, let's go up and fill that 1 minute gap up there. That was silly. Come on. Where are we at on the 5 minute? Oh. All right, that was actually a good stop out. I don't really care for this 5 minute with 40 seconds left. What's the video doing? We got 12 minutes, so brand new 15-minute candle. It can actually come all the way up to 93 about. play around. I'll just put that sell stop there in case we come back down. But I would look to get in somewhere around 90. I really want to be down far enough where I don't get just hit. Like this. Could also take the long if we get above 81, 82. Which, down, 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 down. I don't know, my money's still on down. Now if I get hit here and if we don't continue down, I'll take one off as quick as I can. I definitely would consider the long at 82. Maybe 83 would be a better entry. Something like this. Here we go. All right, Gary. Oh, that was 12 minutes ago. 17. I didn't see that. He's saying buy the dip. See, there's just no momentum. You know what I mean? No Momo. All right, took one off for $100 loss. Okay.
Sucks.
Just no Momo to, you know what they say, you play the Momo till there's no Mo.
Yeah. Just do the opposite, man. If you think it's a short shot,
Go long?
Yep.
Well, I still got my buy stop up there. So if it gets up to 83, I'll take it long. But
It's just crap.
yeah,
You shouldn't even be trading right.
that is correct. That is the actual correct answer.
Even if this trade works, it's still just stupid counter trade. Look at this. Take you down to Bull's last stand, maybe.
Well, because it went down 10 points, but I can't put my stop. You know, I might as well just close it.
Yeah, correct. You might as well just take small profit,
Yeah.
just because it's going to come back most likely. And just needs to get a move on.
All right, ES is now down 24, and Dow's down 150. NQ down 88.
Yeah.
Just sort of sloppy and choppy, huh?
Yeah, I don't know. Just, I don't want to be in it.
But Michael, you got to be in it to win it.
No, no, no. Don't you remember the old saying? I'd rather be sitting here
That's right.
wishing I was in it.
Yep. That is correct. Another correct answer.
And if I'm not in it, there's a good chance it'll work for you.
Lewis is smart enough not to be in it. Am I right?
Yeah, that's, yeah. You know, if I said to you, yeah, you could take a long or a short with a 25-point stop, which way would you go?
Yeah, with the 25-point stop.
Yeah, I mean, it's like, it's a 50-50, it feels like.
Yeah. You know, the only thing I see here is kind of like, it's not even a very good one. I like the old H patterns,
Yeah.
right? And this is a little high. It would have been better to come like that and come down. But I don't really have any. I mean, there's really nothing to hold your hat on. That's the problem.
My little super trend is it's almost all negative, so it's definitely just gone all bearish. It's just one time frame that's kind of flickering.
Okay, mine are all down.
All red now, yeah, it's all red now.
Yep. I just got a, well, NVIDIA's 15-minute short.
Yeah, it's coming down a bit. Yep.
I don't know why I don't have one on NQ yet. The daily, we're getting close to, yep, taking out the lows, yesterday's lows.
And then you get that.
Yeah, you're going to get a little bounce there on yesterday's low, right? You get them people who buy 56 to 66. There was a good 10-point bounce right there.
Yeah.
And that's what a lot of people take. You know, is you take the prior day's low and you look for a 10-point bounce.
Yeah.
You take, you know, you sell two or you buy two. And you buy two, you sell one at 10, and you hold the other one in case it keeps running. It's just a little play. All right, I'm going to have to go to break even now, just because I'm going to bring this guy down. We got to. What's interesting is IB and the purple line are perfectly lined up. Now we are coming up on Bull's last stand, which we hit before. And didn't get much reaction. We kind of just plowed right through it. I'll go to a 5-minute chart, and at least I'll have some targets to look at. I don't know if I can find it. I might have to delete one of my charts. Okay, there's Bull's last stand right there at 50 roughly. They're going to probably, I went to break even, so they're going to come take me out. I need to stay green, so I need $30, $40. So I'm going to drop him down a little bit. Right there. That way I can try to stay green on this. There might be some slippage, so better take a little bit more. All right, we got 19 seconds on this 5-minute. Let's close below yesterday's low. Nope, not going to do it. Nice little slug down would be good. Nope. We should be coming down to IB. There should be a little magnet. You're going to find this funny, but I'm going to... Oh, wouldn't let me have it. I just tried to take 2 right there. I didn't want to take market. Come on, baby, keep going. All right, got back most of my money. See if we retest IB here. We did. See if we can hold it. Okay. I will still take that trade again. Even though I got stopped out, I'd like to be a little bit higher this time. We're holding IB so far, we just keep tagging it. It's a good sign. I'll take 42, so that'd be 7 points. Okay, my goal is to take 50 points from it. 50 points from IB. But we got to hold it. And there's a good chance, yep, we didn't. All right, we're going to go and do some backfilling. There's potential for 53. How much time we got left? Still got some time. All right, if we get back to IB, I will take the short. Okay, 5-minute gap fills at 53.75. We just refilled the 1 minute. We got a potential reversal on the 5 minute there. So there's the, let's see, that's going to be the gap fill at 54. Still got plenty of time to come back down. And if we keep going up, we break 63, 64, then I'll go long. Okay, there's 63 break, and let's see what it does. Yeah, I like that right there. Okay, there's 65. How much time? Still got plenty of time, huh? 311. That's what I like. The long and the short of it. Okay, I'm going to take one off to reduce my risk. Right there, $100, yeah. Yep. I will come back up here. There we go. Come on, squeeze it up. Let's go. Let's see, that low's right there at 63. And I want to be just a little below it. Come on, go. Okay, there's a fill. You got to get back up now. get back up or I gotta get out. All right, there we go. Let's go. Giddy up, go. Okay, we'd love to see a strong finish on this candle. Oh, since I'm up 793, no. 55. Might have to take my stop here. Come on, push it up. Got 50 seconds left on this candle. There we go. There we go. Yowzer. Okay, I'll take that. Come on, get up there. Get up in that bull zone. There you go. All right, I'm going to just follow this guy up. If it takes me out, it takes me out. That's good. All right. Better. Better. Okay, so I took the long above the prior 5-minute candle and then just kind of followed it up. Once we got into this area, I thought we were going to go to the top, but we closed below it, so good time to get out and reassess things. Since IB didn't work out, we could still come back and do it again on IB. So would I buy this again? Yeah. I mean, you could. I would probably wait for it to get above the 1 minute weighted. And then 89 to, so that'd be 90, 22 points up to VWAP. Probably not a bad play. And what do you know? Where did that wick come to? The bottom of that box. Pretty close. Interesting, huh? Huh. This box is now used up, so he can actually get deleted. All right, I think I'll end it there. I'm done. I got back to where I closed. I think I was up 1,400, I think, at one point on that second account, so I didn't quite get back to where I was, but close enough. I got to bring up that 63 up a little bit, so I might do a little scalping maybe in power hour or something like that. Usually when I scalp, I'll take 40, 60 bucks at a time, get them up to about 250 or something. But hey, thanks for being here. It's been 3 hours, so I'm getting tired. Yeah, man, you too, Lewis, and hopefully you guys stay green. Lewis, thank you. NH, you need to tell me how to say your name, man. I'll get it. Income Trader, thank you. Blue Quaint, thank you. Kofper, Yoko, appreciate it. And we'll go out with Mr. Fibs song, as always. Ciao, see you tomorrow. And Jason.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfold, markets wild, riding highs, that profit rain. Futures unfold, market. NASDAQ dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. NASDAQ dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. Nasdaq dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Nasdaq dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory,